Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Stories with a brand new lesson, 100 English Sentences for Making Friends. Today, we're not just learning words. We're building real connections through language. In this session, I'll guide you step by step through one of the most powerful speaking techniques, the shadowing method, used by top language learners around the world. You'll listen, repeat, and speak naturally, just like a native speaker. So, if you truly want to level up your English and build a confident, friendly personality, give me just a few minutes. Stay with me till the end, because every part is important, and the final part of this video will completely change the way you think about learning English forever. Take a deep breath. Get ready to speak, listen, and feel English. Let's begin. Making friends in English isn't only about grammar or vocabulary. It's about connection, confidence, and communication. When you meet new people, you don't just exchange words. You exchange energy. And that energy grows through your voice, tone, and rhythm. You see, English isn't learned. It's felt. That's why speaking practice, especially shadowing, helps you build the natural flow and emotion behind every sentence. When you practice with real, friendly expressions, you become more open, more relaxed, and more confident. Because friendship begins with one simple act: talking. And today, we're going to make that easier for you. Here's how this lesson works. You'll first listen carefully to me. Then, in the second line, you'll repeat with me. That's your shadow practice. Speak out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on rhythm, sound, and emotion. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is connection. If you can speak naturally with kindness and confidence, you'll make friends easily, anywhere in the world. Now, get ready for your practice session. Let's move from simple greetings to natural conversations. 1. Simple greetings. Listen first, then repeat with me. Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, nice to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? How's everything going? How's everything going? Long time no see. Long time no see. You have a nice smile. You have a nice smile. It's great to see you again. It's great to see you again. 2. Getting to know each other. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Do you like music? Do you like music? What kind of movies do you watch? What kind of movies do you watch? I love learning about new cultures. I love learning about new cultures. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. You seem like a fun person. You seem like a fun person. Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy meeting new people. Let's talk more sometime. Let's talk more sometime. 3. Talking about daily life. How is your day going? How is your day going? What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? I go for a walk every morning. I go for a walk every morning. I love listening to music while working. I love listening to music while working. Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? I usually read before I sleep. I usually read before I sleep. That sounds like a nice routine. That sounds like a nice routine. How do you spend your weekends? How do you spend your weekends? I like spending time with my friends. I like spending time with my friends. Life is better with good company. Life is better with good company. 4. Inviting and hanging out. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Let's hang out this weekend. Let's hang out this weekend. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Let's go for a walk in the park. Let's go for a walk in the park. How about watching a movie together? How about watching a movie together? I know a great place to eat. I know a great place to eat. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Let's make some good memories. Let's make some good memories. I'd love to spend time with you. I'd love to spend time with you. See you soon. See you soon. 5. Showing interest and care. How have you been lately? How have you been lately? You look a bit tired. Are you okay? You look a bit tired. Are you okay? I'm always here if you need someone to talk to. I'm always here if you need someone to talk to. You can share anything with me. You can share anything with me. That must be hard for you. That must be hard for you. I completely understand how you feel. I completely understand how you feel. Take care of yourself, okay? Take care of yourself, okay? You're not alone. You're not alone. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. I'm really glad we're friends. I'm really glad we're friends. 6. Talking about hobbies and interests. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I love reading in my free time. I love reading in my free time. I enjoy traveling to new places. I enjoy traveling to new places. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? I'm a big fan of football. You're a big fan of football. Music helps me relax. Music helps me relax. I like painting on weekends. I like painting on weekends. That's such a cool hobby. That's such a cool hobby. I've always wanted to learn guitar. I've always wanted to learn guitar. Maybe we can try something fun together. Maybe we can try something fun together. Sharing feelings and thoughts. I feel really happy today. I feel really happy today. Sometimes I get nervous meeting new people. Sometimes I get nervous meeting new people. It's okay to feel shy sometimes. It's okay to feel shy sometimes. I try to stay positive every day. I try to stay positive every day. You always bring good energy. You always bring good energy. I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate your honesty. I feel comfortable talking to you. I feel comfortable talking to you. You make me smile. You make me smile. Let's keep supporting each other. Let's keep supporting each other. Friendship grows when we share our hearts. Friendship grows when we share our hearts. 8. Handling small talk naturally. The weather's so nice today. The weather's so nice today. I can't believe how fast time flies. I can't believe how fast time flies. Have you tried that new cafe downtown? Have you tried that new cafe downtown? Traffic was crazy this morning. Traffic was crazy this morning. I really like your outfit today. I really like your outfit today. Did you watch the game last night? Did you watch the game last night? I love this city. It's full of life. I love this city. It's full of life. How's your family doing? How's your family doing? That's a funny story. That's a funny story. Talking to you always makes my day better. Talking to you always makes my day better. 9. Deep conversations, intermediate, advanced. What inspires you in life? What inspires you in life? Do you believe everything happens for a reason? Do you believe everything happens for a reason? I think true friendship lasts forever. I think true friendship lasts forever. Sometimes silence says more than words. Sometimes silence says more than words. I like people who stay real. I like people who stay real. What's the most important lesson you've learned? What's the most important lesson you've learned? I admire people who never give up. I admire people who never give up. Everyone has a story to tell. Everyone has a story to tell. Life feels lighter when you have good friends. Life feels lighter when you have good friends. Let's promise to always be honest. Let's promise to always be honest. 10. Ending conversations politely. It was nice talking to you. Was nice talking to you. I really enjoyed our chat. I really enjoyed our chat. Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon. Take care and stay safe. Take care and stay safe. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful day ahead. Say hi to your family for me. Say hi to your family for me. I'll message you later. I'll message you later. Keep smiling, okay? Keep smiling, okay? You made my day better. You made my day better. Goodbye, my friend. See you soon. Goodbye, my friend. See you soon. Now, before we end this lesson, I want to tell you a short story. It's not just a story. It's a reminder that language, courage, and friendship can change your life. Once there was a shy student named Mia. She moved to a new city where no one spoke her language. Every day, she sat alone during lunch, listening to people talk and laugh, but never joining them. She wanted to speak. She tried to smile, but fear held her back. One day, she decided to try something different. She found a quiet corner, opened her phone, and played a simple English shadowing video, just like this one. She listened, then she repeated, again and again. At first, her voice was shaky. Then it grew stronger. And one morning, when someone smiled and said, "Hey, how are you?" she replied naturally, "I'm great, thank you. What about you?" That one sentence changed everything. It opened the door to her first friendship. Weeks later, she was laughing, chatting, and leading conversations confidently. The same girl who once stayed silent was now the one helping others speak. And do you know the secret? She didn't learn by fear. She learned by feeling, by shadowing, by speaking with emotion. So if you ever doubt yourself, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin today. And before we finish, here's your special learning hack. Speak to yourself in English every morning, even one sentence aloud. Within a week, your brain will stop translating and start thinking in English.